Hello everyone. Everything I'm about to explain has been checked and confirmed by the mechanics here at the shop, so don't worry, we'll go step by step. If your Mazda shows the message engine malfunction, stay calm. It doesn't automatically mean your engine is about to blow up. This message is basically the car's polite way of saying, hey, something isn't working the way it should, and I need your attention. It can be something simple, or something that needs a closer look, but it's not always a disaster. The first thing you should know is that this message appears when the computer detects data that's out of the normal range. And this is where the first common suspect comes in: the sensors. Many mechanics at this shop say that sensors like the oxygen sensor, the MAF sensor, or the throttle sensor often send incorrect readings due to dirt, wear, or moisture. When that happens, the system gets confused and triggers the warning even though the car may still drive normally. Following that, another very common cause is the fuel system. A dirty injector, uneven fuel pressure, or even low-quality gas can cause temporary issues. Several mechanics say that after switching gas stations or using a fuel injector cleaner, the warning disappeared on its own. So sometimes the problem isn't serious. The fuel just wasn't doing the engine any favors. Now, if the message shows up along with a loss of power or the car feels restricted, then the famous limp mode comes into play. This happens when the computer detects something that could potentially damage the engine and limits power to protect it. In many cases, this is related to the turbo, pressure sensors, or valves that aren't responding correctly. After that, there's something many people overlook: the battery and voltage. Yes, even though it sounds strange, a weak battery or a failing alternator can trigger the engine malfunction message. When voltage isn't stable, the electronic modules start miscommunicating and the warning pops up. A lot of mechanics have seen this message disappear completely just by replacing the battery. There are also cases where everything seems fine, but the message keeps popping up randomly. This is usually due to temporary system errors, especially after disconnecting the battery, doing maintenance, or driving in extreme conditions. Turning the car off, waiting a few minutes, and restarting it can sometimes reset the system and clear the warning, at least for a while. Now, if the message keeps coming back, that's when it's best to scan the vehicle with a proper professional scanner. Not a cheap generic one, but a scanner that can read Mazda modules correctly. Many mechanics agree that having the exact code saves time, money, and frustration because you're not just replacing parts blindly.